Hi guys, in today's video I will be talking to you about how to actually change your life in 2025 using mindset shifts and manifestation boards, so stay tuned. I'm sure we've all started the new year in similar ways, telling ourselves that this is going to be our year, new me. This is the year that things are going to change. But how well has that actually worked for you? Today I'm breaking down how you'll actually change your life this year using powerful tools like mindset shifts and manifestation boards. And trust me, this isn't about wishful thinking. It's about intentional action. If you're new here, my name is Bertha and I help people take control of their lives using mindset work, self-development, and manifestation. Let's jump in. So let's start with a little bit of a reality check. The biggest mistake that I see people making is relying solely on motivation. Motivation fades. It's habits, beliefs, and clarity that actually make lasting change. If your subconscious is stuck in doubts or negative patterns, your actions won't align with your goals. That's why mindset is everything. So now that we know the key problem, let's start at the beginning. It's time to create a new you. To change your life, you have to start seeing yourself differently. Stop thinking, I want to be successful, and start embodying, I am someone who takes consistent action towards success. It's basically a shift from I want to I am. So this is how you actually take steps towards becoming this new you. You're gonna have to do a little bit of work internally. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab a journal and I want you to start practicing writing affirmations down. Self-affirmations were actually the gateway for me to completely rearranging, creating a new me, a new life. So I want you to start with these 3 affirmations. I am disciplined, I am focused, I am abundant. Write those down, stand in front of a mirror, and say them to yourself every single day. In that journal, I also want you to write about the version of yourself that's already achieved their goals. Write about what they think, how they act. You could even write about what a day in their life looks like, their daily routines, how they dress. You have full control of this vision. You just have to put it down on paper. So I'm going to talk a little bit about manifestation boards because these are actually my favorite way to bring my vision to life. Here's an example of a small one that I've made. I have plenty of these around my room. Think of a vision board as your visual representation of your goals and dreams. It's a tool to help you stay aligned and focused on your goals. I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to create one. So step number 1, you're going to find clarity, okay? We're not going to post whatever Pinterest picture we think looks pretty on our vision boards. I need you to find clarity in what it is that you want most out of life. Define your goals in areas like health, career, relationships, hobbies, etc. I want you to be intentional. Step number 2, you're going to gather your visuals. You can use images, quotes, symbols that represent your goals. And a great platform for this is Pinterest. Pinterest is my go-to when I make vision boards. And tip number 3, placement matters. Keep your vision board somewhere visible so you are reminded of your intentions daily. The key here is not just looking at your vision board, it's to actually feel like you are the person who has those things. When you feel it, you attract it. And just as a reminder, manifestation isn't just about visualizing. You need to act in alignment with your goals. Small, consistent steps create momentum. I'm going to give you guys an example from a different manifestation board. This was from 2023. I put down a picture of a cycle class. And at the time that I put this down, my intention was only to begin going to cycle classes. I went to a cycle class where I was super out of breath, out of shape, but I wanted to make becoming a cycle girly a goal of mine. So some of the actionable steps that I took towards that was 1, signing up for classes, being intentional about the why. I wanted a healthy, fit body, and affirmations, telling myself that I was worthy of a healthy body. Starting with 1 or 2 classes a week, I had to practice a lot of self-discipline, building a lot of self-trust, reminding myself of my goals. Again, it also really helped keeping this somewhere where I could see it, so I was reminded of my intention. And a year later, after making that vision board, I have completed 50+ cycle classes. And I couldn't have done it if I hadn't set the intention to keep myself in check and following through. So to really change your life this year, you're going to shift your mindset, get super clear on your intentions and your goals, and use tools like manifestation boards to stay aligned. And most importantly, you're going to take action. Your dream life isn't somewhere in the future just waiting for you to come by it. It's here right now. It's waiting for you to step into it. If this resonated with you, hit the like button and subscribe for more self-development content. I do sprinkle a little bit of law of assumption, manifestation, a little bit of magic, and comment below. What's one thing that you're committed to changing this year? I can't wait to hear from you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.